Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video guys, let's take a closer look at the brand new and original accessory from GoPro that's called the Boom Arm. This particular accessory can be purchased in 3 different variations, as you can get it with a suction cup, sticky adhesive, or the one that I got in here with a bar mount. Alright guys, so this is everything that comes in the package. So as you see, there's quite a lot of small pieces and other accessories such as screws, connectors and whatnot. I personally don't like it because it's just another thing to look out for and something that can be easily lost. So this is how the Boom extension arm looks like. And I must tell you, this really feels like a high quality product. You know, it's made of carbon fiber material and some plastic at the end. But it's so lightweight, I can barely feel that I have anything in my hands. This is probably the first GoPro accessory in which they decided to completely remove standard GoPro accessory that we all know, and instead they decided that they're gonna use the hex screws in all the joints. However, because of that, you're gonna need a hex key with you to bend it or even adjust your camera angle. You know, adjusting it is pretty simple. This thing is another piece that you have to worry about and you can always forget it, lose it, and without it, you can't adjust it in any way. So that's pretty bad. GoPro includes a very small plastic clip that can store the hex key for you. You can clip it to your boom arm, so it's always there when you need it. However, once you put it in, it's quite difficult to take it out, so you may want to use some grease or something. Now, at the very top of the boom arm, we can attach the ball joint. So, with the ball joint in here, it's pretty easy to adjust your camera angle. All you have to do is to simply unscrew this part. Let me quickly do it. And once you do that, it's pretty easy to find the proper angle that you want, because the camera can rotate in any direction that you like. It's just that you're gonna need a hex key with you every single time you want to make some changes. So what's really cool about the boom arm is that you can actually make this extension arm shorter. All you have to do is to simply remove the middle screw. Thanks to that, you can mount it on your helmet to get a POV shot, or you can mount it basically anywhere else where a shorter distance is better. However, there is something more that you can do with it if you use a support clip. With a support clip, you can use one arm to hold another one, keeping it tight and secure. Alright guys, so everything that it covers so far is a part of the Boom Arm package, and you can order it as a standalone product. However, you can always bundle this extension arm with 2 products. One of them gonna be the GoPro Suction Mount, and another gonna be the bar mount. So what I want you to know is that the suction mount is not a brand new accessory, it's been there for a while, and you can get it as a standalone product, so I'm not gonna be focusing on it. However, this little guy, the bar mount, you cannot get it on its own. So if you want to get this accessory, you have to purchase the boom arm with it. This accessory in here can be mounted on railings, handlebars and some pipes, etc. However, once again, you're gonna need to have a hex key with you to open it up. So inside of it, there's a rubber ring that's supposed to keep it in place and prevent it from sliding out. You can easily remove it and insert a different size because there's quite a lot of them in the package. So what's really cool about the bar mount is that the head can rotate in 360 degrees in both directions. So when you use it with the boom arm, you can easily change your camera angle. You know, I'm just a little bit concerned about this head because it feels so small and tiny, and I just wonder how durable this thing gonna be in here. You know, can it survive with a boom arm and camera attached to it, with wind blowing in, high speed, etc.? It feels so thin, so I'm just curious about it. Can it withstand it? Alright guys, so this is what Boom Extension Arm has to offer. And as I said in the beginning of this video, you can get this product in 3 different variations, as you can get it as a standalone product for around $70. However, if you bundle it with a bar mount or a suction mount, it's gonna be slightly more expensive. If you're a GoPro subscriber, you can save a little bit of money in here on official GoPro website. So for today's video guys, that's it. I'm really sorry that I cannot show you any specific examples using this product, but I simply can't do it today. Thank you so much for watching anyway, and see you guys in the next video.